2, 3, 2, 2, 3. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play Breaking the Girl by the great Red Hot Chili Peppers. Great song for acoustic guitar, absolutely not for beginners, but this is more advanced, I would say, for sure. We gotta start with tuning the guitar down to E flat. So you gotta tune the whole guitar down half a step. So I'm in E flat right now. So if you're playing along, this should be your A. Okay, so the song is in 6/8, so we gotta get this going. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. So the verses are: if you grab an A, two, three. You can play like this, but no, play it like this. I think that's the best thing. D string, G string, B string, A. I'm gonna move that up from 2 to 4, and then make that 5 while we're pedaling the A string. To 7. And then we have, if you go to 9, bar that, and we're gonna make that an A major triad like that. So you keep that, you put second finger on the 10th fret, B string, and third finger on the 11th fret, D string. A major triad. So, alright, so that's the chord for the verses. But we need this pull off. So, while we're holding the chord like this, we're going to use the third finger and go to 4th fret on the A string. Two times. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. right before the chorus, this thing happens 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the chorus, which is C major to G to A minor, and then C again, G, F major 7. And that's going to take us into the third part, which is the hardest part when it comes to the chords. But anyway, let's do the verse and the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 5 E string, 5 D, 5 G. Okay, keep those strings. We're muting the A string. Keep those strings. Move to 7th fret. 7, 6, 8. Oh, sorry, 7, 6, 7. The minor 6 chord. So. Okay, all on the E string, D and G, and then move that up half a step. We're going to make it a C major 6, and then move that up a whole step. That's a D something. 10, 9, 12. This is all E, D, and G still. To an E major bar chord. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. E major. Second time is going to be a little bit different. A minor. Same. We're going to hit an F. Try it. So now we're on the A string, so that's let's see, 8, 7, 10. Make that into an F7 chord. 8, 7, 8, and move it down half a step. Make it an E7. So that's for second time. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. E major. Second time. E major, F major, F7, E7. One more time. E major. that's before this part out, the fade. To me, it sounds like they're doing this. So now instead of bending the third, we're gonna bend the minor third, and don't make it A major. Just 1 5, and then hit this shape, 5th fret. Let's go to the outro. Come on. Breaking the girl. Breaking the guitar. Thanks for tuning in, guys. What a fun song. Awesome. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool stuff. Be safe. Take it easy.